Good evening and welcome to Wall Street English. My name is Scott Johnson. I'm a teacher here at Wall Street English Mensa Six Center. During this week, the business week at Wall Street English, we've given workshops on communications and business vocabulary skills, and Wall Street English with its teachers and tutors has provided 25 different activities, 5 events per center, including online courses.
This last week was a business week. There were a lot of business workshops, and it was a great opportunity to practice and to learn new vocabulary, especially in business.
L'ambiance était très conviviale, nous avons pu échanger beaucoup d'idées, apprendre de nouveaux vocabulaires.
job interview على البورصة، على كيفاش تعمل معناتها ان انترفيو، كيفاش تحضر الريزومي نتاعك، كيفاش تعمل motivation letter.
Donc si vous voulez améliorer votre anglais, c'est vraiment la meilleure adresse. Be in Wall Street English.
So stay tuned and say yes to Wall Street English.